Welcome to my new blog post 41, and in this blog post I'm going to discuss about management elements. So let's start. So what are basically management elements? So management elements are the components that comprise the key functions or principles of general management in the organization. The general management elements are basically allocated within the organization according to its governance frameworks and the organizational structural type that is actually selected. So the key functions or the principles of management include, but they are not limited to, division of work using specialized skills and availability to perform work, authority given to perform work, responsibility to perform work appropriately assigned based on such attributes as skill and experience. A discipline of action, for example, respect for authority, people, and rules. Unity of command, for example, only one person gives order for any action or activity to an individual. Unity of direction, it means one plan and one head for a group of activities with the same objective. Then general goals of the organization uh, that take precedence over individual goals. Should be paid fairly for the work performed. Then optimal use of resources, clear communication channels, right materials to the right person for the right job at the right time. Fair and equal treatment of people in the workplace, clear security of work positions, safety of people in the workplace, open contribution to planning and execution by each person, and optimal morale. So all in all, performance of these management elements are basically assigned to the selected individuals within the organization. These individuals may perform the noted functions within various organizational structure. For example, in a hierarchical structure, there are horizontal and vertical levels within the organization. These hierarchical levels range from the line management level through to the executive management level. The responsibility, accountability, and authority assigned to the hierarchical level indicate how the individual may perform the noted function within the organizational structure. With this, I conclude my blog post. Now coming towards our star question. So basically the question is, an organization has underpaid employees. Being project manager, what should be your stance about the employees' pay? So first option is they should be paid fairly, pay on time, go with the flow, negotiate. Negotiate. So the answer lies within the video. So please watch the video till the end and you will get the answer. And please do not forget to answer the question of this video in comment section.